Hi, everybody. Today is Sunday, October 5th, 2008, and Ben and I just got in from going on a tractor ride. He had lots of fun on the tractor. I was a little worried he'd be scared of it because he fears a lot of loud noises. But I took him for a ride on the tractor, and he had a good time. So he's 11 months old, and he's walking around like a champ. You've probably seen some of the other videos, and so he's really enjoying that, walking around and being more mobile like that. We're getting ready for his first birthday party on November 1st. We're having a first birthday party for Benjamin, so I can't wait for that. I know he can't wait to see all his family and friends come over to see how big he is. But I wanted to show you some videos and some pictures of Ben and his tractor and some other fall activities we have planned or we have undertaken. So I hope you enjoy them. Keep watching on the front page for more pictures and stay tuned for more updates. Thank you. Say bye-bye. Can you say bye-bye, Ben? Say bye. How about touchdown? Can you touchdown? Can you do anything except sit there and look cute? Oh, you're tired. Okay, bye-bye, everybody.